Hi guys, it's Janelle again and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Pintube for you all, and that is where I go and select a look on Pinterest and then make it into a YouTube video. This is definitely a look I would do every day. I'll go out and run some errands in her, go to work in her. She's real neutral. You can wear anything and everything with her. All you gotta do is change it to lipstick if need be based on your outfit. That's what this look's giving you today. So basically I saw this picture, I said that's real cute. So very like neutral eye, neutral cheek. Let me just put all the emphasis on high glitter gloss, highlighter, and inner corner highlight. That nice glow, that looking like a glitter ball, but not necessarily too much. It's like, giving you a little something, but not too in your face because it's not like any bright colors or anything like that. Of course, along with that strong wing, which I absolutely love because I have very big round eyes, so I try to elongate her to the best of my ability with wing liner.
I will always have wing liner. That's just my way.
But let's hop into this look and I'll see you guys at the end.
What is wrong with me? Do I care too carefully? What is wrong with me? Does somebody know? What is wrong with me? Do my thoughts go way too deep? What is wrong with me? Does somebody know? 'Cause I don't know, I don't know why. No, I don't know, I don't know why. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Do I love too easily? What is wrong with me? Does anybody know? What is wrong with me? Should I try and take a leave? What is wrong with me? Does anybody know? 'Cause I don't know, I don't know why. No, I don't know, I don't know why. What is wrong with me? Say 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 what is wrong with me? Oh yeah. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. easy, but I'm worth the while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
So as you guys saw, this look is super easy. You honestly don't even have to use like a crease color and a lid color like I use in this video, because based off that photo, she looked like she pretty much had a bare lid. So you could just use like a very neutral, like one tone wash over the entire lid and just do the liner in her corner glitter and just have it spread out as much as you want. I took mine a little further in than what she maybe did in her photo, but like I said, I have big eyes, so I feel like it works for me. You know, you gotta switch certain looks up based off the structure of your face. You know, we're not all out here looking like twins, so make it personal to you and what works best for your face. But I'm loving her. She real cute. She real easy. I can easily manage this in the morning before going to work. Just cut down on a few little steps, you know, and I can get this face beat just like that in like 30 minutes flat and be happy with her. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you loved it, give me a thumbs up, spread that love, give me that like right there. If you're not part of this family already, you need to be. I post new videos every Friday. I think they're lit, but then again, I can be biased to myself. But if you enjoy it, you know, subscribe, join the family. And then as always, if you got questions, drop them down below. You got some added advice, drop it down below. Share the wealth with your family. We share tea here. We don't just be keeping it and hogging it to ourselves. But other than that, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.